Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Hello 18s! Hito ulit ang trending, tatlong hashtag at tatlong trends. Trending, si Josh Collin kasama si Al James sa kanilang kanta, pinakabagong kanta na Yoko Na. Kaya naman, congratulations Al James at Josh Collin from SB19.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.